Hello, good morning. Welcome to ECE 130. I am your instructor for this course. My name is Marcia Burt, and I'm excited to spend the next 7 weeks with you. This course is focusing on a bunch of different theories in early childhood development, and it's going to start the first week with a historical look of you get to pick child development theories that interest you, and then you're going to complete a template with those theories. So we won't stay in historical theories throughout the 7 weeks, but this is where we start. This is like our foundation of where we start. As we move forward, we'll dive deeper into some of them. But I know some of us, this may be your first course in early childhood, and if so, welcome. We're glad you're here. And if not, you know what to do, and you don't even need to probably finish this video, but I'm glad you're here. I wanted to welcome you, and I wanted to show you where to find the template for this week if you are unfamiliar with using templates in your classes. So I'm going to turn it to my screen, and I will let you see. Okay, as you see here, I have pulled up week 1 on my screen, and we have introduction. So please make sure that you go in and introduce yourself to the class. It's not worth any points, but it's a great way to start and kind of build our classroom community together. Discussion question 1 from topic 1 is going to be due on Wednesday by midnight, and it's worth 5 points. Discussion question 2 is due by Friday, and it's worth 5 points. You are also required to make 6 additional posts in the discussion questions. You can do it however you would like to. The general rule of thumb is to try to be active in the class at least 3 days. So, but you have to do these 2 and then an additional 6. So it looks like 8 total, because you get 5 points for this and 5 points for the second one. And then the participation is 20 points for the other 6. But your assignment this week is you are going to pick 5 major child development theories that shaped early childhood education from the Industrial Revolution to the 1800s through modern times. So you get to choose 5 from our readings that you feel would be great ones. Some of the most common ones are sometimes Freud or Maslow or Piaget, Vygotsky. I'm trying to think of one more. Erickson is another popular one that people often do. You are going to complete the template. The template is located on the side. You see it says Historical Theories and Reflection Template. You are going to download that. Let me see if I can pull it up for us. And then complete it. If you can, all of your assignments, if you can edit this, I have not downloaded it, but all of your assignments will need your name and the GCU heading. So I will try to attach in the announcements a template for APA 7th edition, which is the writing style that we use, and it will also include the GCU heading to help you. So you will complete all of this. You can stretch this out as far as you need, because one of the biggest things about all the classes, the difference between like the target score and acceptable is in the amount of details. So give lots of details. So you're going to name the theory, the time period that it was developed, describe it with lots of details, and then the influence. You have to figure out how it has influenced early childhood education. So an example that I like to give is Piaget was the first to realize or recognize in his theory that children are not many adults, and so that we can't teach them with an understanding that they think the same way as adults do. We have to change our thinking to understand that children think differently than adults do. So that has been a huge influence on early childhood education. Down here, it asks for a reflection and resources. So you want to do your 250 to 500 word reflection on what this means in your future teaching practice, and then also list your resources. So that is where you would find this week's template. We do have a couple assignments in this course that use templates. If you have any questions for me, please be sure to reach out. Text messaging, my telephone number is area code 334-444-1252, and I'll put it on everything. Is probably the easiest way to get in touch with me, but also you can email me. You can send me a private message in the group. I answer those every day. You can call me. So whatever works best for you. But if you do text me, please put who it is and what class, because I have several classes right now, and it just makes it easier if I know which course that you need help with. So this assignment asks for you to use 3 to 4 scholarly resources. And what that means is you don't want to use Wikipedia and you don't want to use blogs. You want to find resources that you know are accurate and true. I think that is everything for this class. If there's anything that I missed, I will hop on and make another video, but I know we're going to have a great time together, and I am here to support you and help you on your journey. So I look forward to working together.